Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And the windshield is out. That's the first step in a windshield change on this Yankee. And now what we're doing is we're coming here to the combing, and we're coming all around the combing edge. We're going to be removing all the old sealant that's in here. Now, this windshield had been out for the paint job, and they put it back in with PRC 732, which is the bonding agent for the bow, instead of using the rope caulk. The guy who did this didn't like the rope caulk. So we're going to come back and clean all the old remnants of the rope caulk, like right here. We'll just scrape it right out of the airplane, throw it on the floor, come back and clean all of this and get it ready for new rope caulking. But, you know, taking the windshield out probably took us 30 minutes to unbolt everything with two people because you can't reach around the windshield. Now we're going to probably spend a couple of hours cleaning. Once we get it clean, then we can begin the process of fitting the new windshield. Tim is painting his bow right now, so it'll be nice and pretty. And while we're here, we're going to look to see if there's any other areas on the airplane that we can touch up and make a little prettier. But meanwhile, most people have never seen the combing like this. We want to get all this nice and clean. After we've cleaned this old sealant off, we'll come back and we'll wipe it down with alcohol so that the rope caulk will stick to the aluminum as we do the windshield fit. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.